Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. So that goes inside.
Yeah. Boil the potato in microwave.
Boil it in the microwave?
Microwave. Little water put and not so much water, little bit water and potato. 5 minutes.
You cut the potato up?
Many cut. Oh, no cut.
A whole potato?
Whole potato.
Just
With the skin.
with the skin?
And boil it, take out the skin.
Okay.
And then mash it.
Mash it.
Garlic, onion, and chili. Little bit lemon.
A little bit of lemon.
And put the jeera. Jeera little is brown.
Jeera is a coriander.
Coriander.
Little bit brown. 2 minutes, 3 minutes. And put the heel. Put the heel like that. And turn on the gas. And just 1 minute, let's close it. And go by, smell is like smoke.
The smell.
So nice, okay. The smoke.
Smoke.
Yeah. Then taste is good. Just put like this. Don't need anything.
That's it.
Okay, that's it. And salt.
Salt. Salt in here too.
Salt in here. And mash and coriander also and yeah. Cilantro.
Oh, cilantro as
Yeah,
well.
cilantro. And mash it like mixed together.
This is the flour. Wheat flour.
Wheat flour. This is a make three paratha, 6 paratha. And this is a make 9, 10, 3, 4 people eat.
Is that olive oil?
Olive oil.
Olive oil.
Make a soft. Mix it. Mix together. Put the water, whatever. Not make it too liquid. Little bit tight. Just like the make a pizza.
So you don't have to leave the dough overnight or anything?
No, anything. We make it right, we cook right.
Everything has to be fresh.
Fresh.
Fish.
If you want to put overnight, boil the potato, it's fine.
You can boil the potato overnight.
Yeah, it's fine. Get in the morning.
And the lime, when you put the lime in
Lime,
there,
yeah,
right?
little bit to squeeze it. Not
Just
too
squeeze.
much.
Just
This flour has to the Indian grocery store.
So how do you know when it's ready?
This is just mix together, make a soft.
Make it soft.
Yeah. Water and like this, not too soft. Put the 5 to 10 minutes and cover it, and then go soft by itself.
Oh, so you usually make it harder and then you cover it and then it goes soft?
Like this.
Like
Not
that.
too hard, not make it. Make it soft.
Make it
A
soft.
little bit more water, you have to soft. Harder, not make like this balls.
So what is this called?
Paratha. Aloo paratha.
Potato.
Aloo Paratha.
Aloo paratha. Yeah.
Aloo Paratha. And it's a traditional Indian dish.
Aloo paratha is exactly traditional North Indian.
North.
100% North Indian traditional. But there are many kind of paratha. Aloo paratha,
Paneer paratha.
paneer paratha, gobi paratha,
Onion paratha.
onion paratha, but
Dal paratha.
and lentil dal paratha, which is very typical of North Indian. But aloo paratha is a kind of
This one is also
once a week is a must. Once a week is a must. She put a little bit extra salt.
less salted.
This is the sea salt, the black salt.
Try to. Salt is good. No, little
We
bit
use
put
two
it
kind
on.
of salt.
Skippy
No,
salt.
not the skippy. This is the sea salt,
Right,
like iodinized salt, something.
right.
And this one come from the natural stone. This mass
It's more like a powder.
is more like a powder. It's not come from seas, come from mountain.
Oh, it's the pink Himalayan?
Something like that.
Something
Yes.
like that.
Yes. Yes. But no need to put this pink Himalayan salt. You can put any sea salt.
Any salt. So do you put butter on there or no?
Not butter right now, little one, later on. Put the butter right now.
And that's just the olive oil?
Yeah, this is I'm ready. Do like this and do like this also fine. दही निकाल दे Not too high, it has to be medium first. Make the medium first.
Do you know ghee, the butter, the Indian kind of butter, ghee?
No. Ghee.
Ghee is a kind of purified butter. It comes from cow milk only, but also can make with different kind of oil too. Like olive oil also can make. This is the same container, Amul pure ghee. If you Google ghee, you will get the definition.